So it's June 16th. We got Framberry right here. This looks like one of those other white pine berries, but it's not. It turns red. There you go. So it's quite different. Last year I did not know. I ate it when it was like this, and well, it still tasted good, but it's quite firm. This is where you're supposed to eat it when it turns red, unlike the other white pine berries. It does taste very much like raspberry. I really like this because of its unique shape, flavor. It is tart. I really like it. So I would not assume this will be like other strawberries. It does have a softer texture. It's more like a raspberry, just like advertised. And I'm really happy I grow this because it's very pretty and cute and unique flavor.